Sanibona bafethu, yazi kodwa mase siba neqiniso uyabona iStelis with uSteve Barker. uSteve Barker right now kumele ngabe usenayo ileague. Kumele abe usenayo ileague but-ke iclub abeyicoacha iStelis. Yabona le club le imbunisele emuva kakhulu lo coach because look at the players esebadedelile in the last 5 years. Ukube lo badlali labo wakwazi ukuthi abagcine kule squad lesabesakha neStelis. Ngabe ziningi indondo ayiwina with Stelis. Yabo, ngabe ziningi. Yabo, mina for me I think I understand i-decision ayithathile right now ukuthi avele ahambe kuleya club leya because leya club ayikho serious with winning ama-titles amaningi. With winning ama-titles amakhulu. Yes, uyiwinile Carling. Yabo, wayiwina iCarling Knockout. Wakwazi ukumanage ukuyiwina iCarling Knockout. Even after iwinile iCarling Knockout, khona abadlali abadayiswa futhi. Kusona leso squad esawina iCarling Knockout. It's like udlala a losing game. Yabo, ucoach team njengestelis. It's like playing udlala igame ongeke uze iwine because leya team leya iyadayisa. Manje usuzoblamewa ke manje ukuthi awenzi kahle. Why team ungayiwinisi isuke ezansi iye phezulu? Izowina kanjani team because udayisa the core players of the team. Selling abo Jaden Adams, selling abadlali abanjengo Ikram Reyners, selling letting go of abadlali abanjengo Onduli, letting go of Onduli on a free transfer to Orlando Pirates. Yabo, izinto ezikanjalo ziyayibulala i-team, i-club, and uyena ucoach ube nalo uthando lale club le. Yabo, since ya promote ube i-coach. But-ke njengamanje izinto esenzeka kakhona nami bengizoyisupport i-decision yakhe ukuthi ahambe. Ngiyayisupport nje ngempela ukuthi ahambe avela ayishiye iStelis because it looks like izinto ayisenze ngale ndlela le befuna ngakhona. And noma ubuphi ucoach ozofika after uSteve Barker basazoqhubeka nale mentality le yokudayisa ama-core players e-team. Selling core players of the team without any replacements, leyo nto iyayibulala i-team. Iqiniso nje lelimsulwa ongakwazi ukulibalekela.